Hello guys, welcome back to the shop. Another unboxing. This one a little bit different. I say I was not going to buy another one, but this one picked my eyes and caught my attention. So let's see what we have here. Alright, the box is upside down. Alright, what we have here? We have a 1/16 Churchill tank. I don't have any British tank from World War II, so this is my first British tank. This is from Tongde. Tongde is, let's say, similar to Hang Long, but somebody says there's different quality. We're going to see. This is my first Tongde as well. Box is nice, very similar to Hang Long. Instruction format also very similar to Hang Long. This is not booklet. This is like pamphlet, right? All right. This is TD 2.0. You know, of course, this is not going to be compatible with my Hang Long battle tanks, but yeah. We have here some accessories, some tarpaulin, jerry cans, some basic tools, some shackles. Well, nothing very impressive. Detail level is average. Accessories. Well, we have accessories. We have some tracks, spare tracks, one AR detector, one charger, and this is a charger probably for the tank battery. People complain because it's not the battery cannot be taken out. Let's see how it goes. Some decals. Definitely not using this one. I don't like them. Yeah. Alright. Take a look at the radio. Yeah, it's similar to Hang Long. 4 buttons for the operation, for batteries, and now let's go to the tank. Alright, here we have the ugly tank, the ugly Churchill. Looking for details. This is which yeah, I think the 7th version of the Churchill. So suspension and all the wheels. The idler. No, this is the idler, right? Yeah, because this one is the power. Nice access to the engine compartment, something that Hang Long don't have. Seeing here one missing part. Hopefully it's inside, maybe drop inside. This is I need to see because it looks like a pump, and this is a smoke unit. Remember, this one of these tanks have even a flamethrower. Another access hatch here. This access hatch is let's say out of place. See this part. I feel there is one part there inside, and this one is a hatch for the battery. Interesting. Close here. So you can take out the battery. So easy, yeah? Hatch and everything is not easy to remove the battery. You see? Yeah, I think this one is just to charge the battery. Okay, let's go at the bottom. Luckily here at least you don't have the typical switch, on-off switch from Hang Long. So I assume the switch must be here. No, this is the IR detector connector. Yeah, it's interesting, eh? We have a rubber tube here. I wonder if this is for smoke or something. I will have to investigate. Definitely has engine smoke here. But I'm not getting is where is the switch. I can see the speaker inside. I cannot see the switch. Interesting. Alright, I will have to read the manual to see what is the switch, but the size is nice. The size, the shape is okay. Some weathering applied, basic, right? I still need to do something with the tracks and the wheels. I like to take out the tracks, do a treatment for make it look like rusted metal, scratch metal, and that's it. This is the tail of the tank. Space and hole for the accessories. All these holes for accessories. Nice exhaust. Very nice. Huh? Yeah, there is one part missing here. It's like a lever here. We will see. Here we have another hatch here. Nothing on this side. On this side, let's see. Also nothing. I thought I was going to find the switch. But maybe one of these is the switch. Okay, not 100% sure, man. And I wonder why I have a hole here. Right. Let me check in the box. Nope. There's nothing there. Let's see in the manual. Put back all the stuff. Right. see, or to put the accessory switch here in front. The small hatch. Nice. I like the fact that this tank has lots of hatches. Along is always solid, despite the parts and everything. In my Panther, I had to cut the hatches open to make it more realistic. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. This is an interesting tank, and I will be running outside in a while and show you some videos. Thanks for watching.